Welcome back to the channel. The name of the channel is CAD with Mr. Hugh, and we aim to be your favorite AutoCAD resource online. All right, but with your help, please remember to subscribe and like the video. All right, so in today's video, we'll be looking at AutoCAD tips and tricks, meaning um, some small recommendations that would help you to be more productive in the drawing of your AutoCAD drawings, right? Especially if you're in an exam, okay? So in today's video, we're looking the AutoCAD tips for today. Our tip for today is on sections, right? So I was sectioning a drawing, and there were two different drawings that were sectioned, and I was attempting to delete one of the sections, but both sections were being deleted at the same time, and I only wanted to delete one of them. So I'm going to show you the solution that I used to get the section to be removed. Right. So I was trying to remove one, and both of them are being removed. So I'm going to show you in the video today. Okay. So please remember to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. In today's video, I will show you how to delete the section from the objects that are shown on the screen. All right, so let me show you. I want to delete one of these sections, but let me show you. So I'll click here. However, both of them are being erased at the same time, so I'm going to undo it again. I'm going to try and delete this one over here. Look, enter, and both of them are deleted, right? So I only want to delete one of them, okay? So this is my solution. What I do, I trim it. So I trim, see, and that is how I section one of them if both of them are being sectioned at the same time. Okay, so let me show you again. I'm gonna remove the section on the left. So if I try to erase it, both of them are gonna be erased. See? Look. Enter. See? So I'm gonna undo it. Right? What I'm gonna do is trim. So I want this one. See? Enter, and now I have it removed. So if you're in a situation where you see that the two objects, one or more, are being deleted at the same time, what you can do is trim the one that you want to be removed. Okay, so this brings us to the end of today's AutoCAD tip. Yes, hopefully in the exam it will prove to be useful to you. So thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. And in the next video, we'll be looking at conic sections. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.